Hi everyone, with me IDP. This is my name and my phone number and also my WhatsApp number. Today we are going to learn all about uses of by. By is a very common word in English. Usually it is used as a preposition, but sometimes it is also used as an adverb. Let's take a look. Teman-teman sekalian, di sini kita akan belajar penggunaan kata by di dalam bahasa Inggris. Number one, by plus a place. By diikuti keterangan tempat. Here, by plus a place means very near or very close. Let's make some example. I live by the river. I live by the river. It also means I live near the river, or I live close to the river. For another example, Bintan Island is located by Batam Island. Bintan Island is located by Batam Island. Bintan Island terletak dekat Pulau Batam. So it also means Bintan Island is located near Batam Island. Okay, that is for number one. Now we are going to number two. By plus noun, it has different uses. For number two, by plus noun to describe travel. How someone to travel. For example, they went to Tokyo by train. They went to Tokyo by train. Mereka pergi ke Tokyo naik kereta api. For another example, I am going to Bali by plane. Saya pergi ke Bali naik pesawat terbang. Okay? But please notice, for food, we cannot use preposition by. But, for example, he goes to work on foot. Okay? Here we cannot use by, but we use preposition on. Dia pergi bekerja berjalan kaki. That is for number one. Okay, now we are going to number three. By plus noun to describe communication. How someone to communicate. For example, I will send the report by email. Okay? Aku akan mengirim laporan tersebut melalui email. Another example. Please call me. By phone. Please call me by phone. Hubungi saya melalui telepon. That is for number three. Now we are going to number four, methods of payment. Okay, methods of payment. Cara pembayaran. Okay, here by plus noun to describe methods of payments. For example, can I pay by credit card? Ya, this is for the example of number 4. Bisakah saya membayar dengan menggunakan kartu kredit? But please notice, okay, what about word cash? Usually, yeah, we use here, I will pay in cash. Yeah, that is for the example of number 4. Now we are going to number 5. Okay, number 5, buy in passive voice. Here, buy indicates who is doing the action or who done the action. For example, okay, first we will make active voice. He is painting my house. Okay, in passive voice, my house is being painted by him. Okay, once again, here by indicates who is doing the action. Okay, teman-teman sekalian, di sini artinya dia sedang mengecat rumah saya. Di dalam bentuk pasif, rumah saya sedang dicat oleh dia. Okay, that is for number 5. Now we are going to number 6, by plus reflexive pronoun. Okay, here we will use myself, yourself, themselves, etc. Okay, so here by means do the action alone, okay, or do something alone. For example, I will do it by myself. Ya, saya akan mengerjakannya sendiri. Okay, another example. Sorry. Please come here by yourself. Ya, silahkan datang sendiri. So it also means please come here alone. Okay, that is for number 6. Okay. Now we are going for number 7, by plus verb ing. Here, by plus verb ing to describe how something done. Okay, yeah. For example, he stays fit by cycling every day. Okay, he stays fit by cycling every day. Okay, in bahasa Indonesia, dia menjaga kebugarannya dengan cara bersepeda setiap hari. Okay, how does he stay fit? Cycling by cycling every day. Okay, that is for number 7. Now we are going to number 8. By plus time expression. So it means not later than or the deadline of the time. Okay. For number 8, for example, I will be there. Sorry. I will be there by 6 p.m. So it means I will be there before 6 p.m. or exactly at 6 p.m. For another example. Sorry. They will finish the job by this month. Okay. So again, we can also say they will finish the job before the end of this month. Okay. So here we can also write here by the end of this month. Yeah. That is for number 8. Okay, now we are going to number 9, by with adjective. We can use by after some adjective. They are astonished, and then shocked, and then impressed. After this adjective, we can use by. For example, we were astonished by his death. Kami terkejut karena kematiannya. For shock, I was shocked by the news, and then impressed. They were impressed by my exam result. Okay, they were impressed by my exam result. Okay, I will tell you for number 2 and for number 1 and number 2. Here we can also use preposition at. Okay, so we can say we were astonished at his death, and I was shocked at the news. And for number 3, they were impressed by my exam result. Here we can also use with. They were impressed with my exam result. Mereka terkesan dengan hasil ujian saya. That is for number 9. Alright, my friends, I will give you one more, as bonus for you. Another use of by, I'm sorry. I am sorry. I did it by mistake. Okay, I did it by mistake, and we can also say I'm sorry I did it by chance, or I did it by accident. Ya, teman-teman sekalian, di sini artinya maaf ya, saya melakukannya tidak sengaja. Oke, 1, 2, 3 in bahasa means the same. Saya melakukannya dengan tidak sengaja. Alright, that is for our English lesson for today.